Everyone, this is going to be a product how to use, and also I guess it's going to be a review of Tuff Stuff. Powerful cleaning for tough jobs, multi-purpose foam cleaner, deep cleaning for fabric, carpet, and vinyl. Okay, perfect for cleaning any washable or painted surface. Deep cleaning foaming action lifts dirt and helps restore true color and appearance. For auto, boat, home, Tuff Stuff is especially effective for cleaning vinyl and fabric upholstery, floor mats, carpets, and chrome. That's surprising. For home, Tuff Stuff is excellent for cleaning appliances, formica, like formica countertops, bathroom fixtures, asphalt, ceramic tile, painted walls, wall coverings, screens, window fans, porcelain, painted wood or metal. Remove soils and stains from vinyl or fabric upholstery and from carpets. This stuff seems like it's pretty good. All right, let's see. It sounds good. All right, directions. For carpet and upholstery, test on a hidden area to ensure color fastness and resistance to staining or spotting. Shake well, hold can upright. Spray liberally on surface to be clean. Let foam work for 30 to 40 seconds. Scrub with a damp cloth, sponge, or brush if required. Wipe clean and dry cloth to avoid spotting. Wipe overspray from glass or car finish before it dries. If it should dry, use powdered cleaner to remove from glass or in car polish to remove from finish. Shake this stuff up, and this is a real life application and review. Okie dokie, so since everybody always does videos on auto detailing and product reviews and whatnot, they always do it on a clean car that's already clean. Well, this one is a real life vehicle. It's used on a daily basis, and there is spots in here, right? So I'm going to try it right here. Have a microfiber towel as it instructed. I already shook this thing up. So let me go ahead and pop the top off. And let's go ahead and start right here. It's not really foamy, is it? Tell me in the comments, have you ever used this stuff before? It looks like it pulled it right out. That is pretty wild. Now this is sunscreen right here that you could see. So let me show you this. All right, check that out. All right, I'm gonna let it sit. Let's see how long it said to sit for. 30 to 40 seconds, okay? I'm looking at the timer on the GoPro right now, and I'm timing it. So I'm going to give it about 30 seconds and see what it does. I'm going to wipe it and see if that sunscreen comes up or if it removes it at all, because that's what's really going to tell if this stuff is good and how good it actually is. Given that this is beige interior, like a tan interior, yeah, this is going to be a huge test. It looks like, if you look at it, it looks like it's already starting to remove it. All right, so let me go ahead and take this. Look at that. Whoa. It just removed tanning lotion off of here. That is wild. That's wild. All right, let me see about this spot. Okay, what about this one? Stuff looks amazing, y'all. Give it just a few minutes here. In the meantime, so if you're using this stuff, don't spray it in your own face, okay? I'm wearing glasses anyway, so yep. So I'm gonna let this stuff sit for a few minutes. And as you can see, I'm already impressed with that. Just with removing a suntan lotion, that's pretty it's pretty amazing. Especially in this. This is a Toyota Camry. This is cloth seats, clearly, you know, so 2019. Look at that. That is awesome. Look at that. Let's see something. All right, so I want to make sure that this is even, because look at that. Let's see if I can do this. I'm going to do this in a completely different way. I'm going to kind of spray this stuff upside down. Let's see. Let's just see if this stuff works, because you're just seeing some of the okay. See this? I'm just going to let it sit for a few seconds. I'm just doing it like this. And look at that. Suntan lotion is gone. Sunscreen. Actually, it's not sunscreen. It was suntan lotion. She likes to go tan. So yeah. This is Tuff Stuff. This stuff right here looks and works amazing. This is a awesome, awesome product. Especially DIY, something that you could buy right out of Walmart or AutoZone. Got this out of AutoZone. O'Reilly's. I imagine, I don't know if they sell this stuff in the dollar store or not. Maybe you could drop a comment in there. I don't know. But what I do know is that this stuff right here is some tough stuff. Powerful cleaning for tough jobs. This is a awesome, awesome product. You've seen it. Real life application. The results are really quite stunning. In a real life car. You know, it's pretty awesome. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this. Be sure to like and subscribe for new videos just like this. Again, this has been Tuff Stuff.